This is the Honor X7c in a very specific moonlight white color. Wait, let's see that proper. Where is it? There we go. Moonlight white. Now let's unbox it together and see what is inside this box of the newest Honor phone to hit the market this quarter of 2020. Supercharged C A to C cable. Um, Jelly case, the Moonlight white color version. This is going to be really interesting because all the other ones are green. Oh my gosh, it's pearlescent. That is amazing. Kind of moves along with that, but look at that. It has 108 megapixels right there. A lot of megapixels. Around the device, we have volume, power, uh, microphone. What is that? An IR blaster? That's going to be really interesting. I'm not sure, but that could also be a light meter. A headphone jack. This is like nostalgia. Let's turn it on. Let's see what the dual SIM looks like with this one. Yeah, oh, there it is. It's a rubber seal. Can you see that? 7C. Let's see what it has. It has a Snapdragon 685, 8 gigs of RAM, and this one comes with 256 gigs of storage, which is great for gaming. Right, I think for now, and the first impressions is it's a really nice looking laptop phone. Look at that. And the updated camera would be, of course, a very good addition to your uh, the things that are possible with this camera system. So yeah, this is the Honor X7c. It comes in this green and in this stunning moonlight white colorway. So yeah, and this is it for now. We will see each other in the full review later. Bye guys.